Hello guys, welcome back to the series Python programming language series. If you are new, please watch from the first video. It will be very helpful. And as part of our series, this is our first program. We have learned printf statement, input statement, and data types. After that, this is the first question we are going to solve. And please don't question where this program will be used. Okay, just try to understand how we are writing the logic or code for this question. Please build your logic building skills and program writing skills. This series is mainly for writing a Python program. Whenever you got a question, you must be able to write the Python program for it. This is the main motive of the series. So before video explain, these programs are a collection of programs will become a software. That is correct. But this question, where it will be used, don't focus on where it will be used. Focus on how to write the code for it and how to build the logic. Clear? This question, try to build logic and try to write the Python code. Okay. Whenever see the question, we should write a we should write a python program we should write a Python program. Why? Because basically this series is a Python programming series, so that we should write a Python program to read a number from the user. From where you will get input, right? From the user means in real world a user, right? Who uses your software? Some user. So that write a Python program to read a number. How you will read? By using the keyboard, by using the input statement. Next, what you should do, and print the number. Clear? You should read a number and we should print the number. So whenever I give some question, or whenever you came across a question, first question, what is you need to ask means input. What is input? Next, what is output? What is output? And what we should do means basically process or method. Process or method. What we should do? Ask these three questions. Ask these three questions. First, input. What we should get? What we will get the input from the user? Read the question carefully. Write a Python program to read a number. So we will get a number as an input. No need this one. We will get a number as an input. And what we will do? Output. What is output? Print. Printing is output, right? Input means reading. Printing means output. Correct. Print the number. That number only. Print that number only. Same number. What we should do? Do we need to process? Do I need to add? For example, if I get some number, if I get number 7 x, I need to add 10. No, just I need to take input x and I need to print x. Clear? That's all. I should not do anything, no? So that no method for this. No 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 method. Just I need to take the number and I need to print the number. Clear? This is the question. So for that, first what we should do, first see the process will be like this. Input. First question, I am explaining all the very basics. From next video onwards, I will not try to cover this first what we should do, next these things. I will not cover these small things. First input, next method, process the input and print output. This is the process. Clear? Yes, right? So code also it should be like this. First first few lines input, next few lines method, means what the process you should do. Next few lines will be output. Same. Make this concept very clear. Input, method, output. Whenever you are doing with some problem, you should ask these three questions: input, method, output. This will make the problem very clear. Now, if I write a Python code, first I will write in English. I will write in English for your understanding. First, what happens? I should read a number. Read a number. Then what I should do? Method. I told now input, method, output. Input completed. They told to read a number. I read a number. So that next method, do I need to process? No need of processing. Directly print output. So that what I should do? Print the number. That's all. This is known as pseudocode or algorithm. Pseudocode basically just writing in English statements. For our understanding, I am writing in English. First I should read a number, next I should print a number. That's all. My program completed. Now, how to convert these statements? Can computer understand these English statements? No, right? It need a Python program. So I am converting line by line from English to Python. See, reading a number. So reading a number means we should store in a number. We should store, right? So that x is equals to int of. Why? Because they told int. You will get a number means integer, right? So int of input of. So you will get the input. Clear? I got the input. Next, what I should do? First line completed. First line completed. Next line, print the number. Print the number. So I print the number. That's all. My code is completed. What they are telling, they are giving some input and they are printing that. Clear? That's all right. Let's see. I am using GDB online compiler. You people can use whatever the compiler you are happy with, familiar with. You can use. See, first you should, when you are open, select here Python programming language in language, and then just click run button. If you can see here hello world, then your compiler or Python interpreter is running very good. Just see x is equals to int of 1 minute. Let me check. You are able to see or not? Yeah, perfect. X is equals to int of input of. So you will read some number and I should print the number x. So clear. See, first see here the compiler is waiting. I should enter something. For example, if I press enter 1000, I am pressing enter. It is printing again 1000. So our question is you should read a number and print the number. So it is performing right. So our program is clear. We are happy with this. And if you want to make some understanding user better, so that I will ask enter a number. Enter a number. Now the program will be very good. So user knows now. Please enter a number. Now if I press 1000, sorry 1000, see it is printing 1000. Clear? That's it. Our first program is done. I hope everyone can understanding this. It is very easy. Basically it's simple question. Now we'll go for the next problem in the next video. Total I will cover 10 problems based on input output data types, so that you will master these topics. So next we'll go to condition statements. All this story leave it, just try to understand. If you are able to code, I am very happy. If you are able to understand after the video, that is also happy. Anything is fine. Just because we are starting only, it's a first video. Clear? Thank you for watching. If you are the person new, please watch from starting. If you know the topics directly, you can start from here. From here onwards, you will learn how to build the logic and how to write a program code. Okay, thank you for watching. Next video onwards, I will try to make the video somewhat less timer. I will not going to explain this every time, input method output. And if you really like the video, please give me one small comment. It will motivate me for the next time coming videos. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.